Hello. In the previous demo, um, we already show you an eyes recognition, okay? And another one is mouth and nose recognition in the demo number 2. Okay? In the first demo, an eyes recognition, what is different is you see we crop an eyes in a random image in the database, then use that as input. Okay? With an eyes, we extract the biofeature of it, and we use the biofeature to search in a raw database, and that's why it's slow. Okay? You saw that, and it successfully identified the right person. In the second demo, you see we also crop, we select a randomly image in the database, then we crop a nose and a mouth of a person. But in this demo, a little bit different. We randomly scaling the crop image. Okay, so that means we play with the scale image right now. With that scale image, then we're going to go to the raw database and try to locate where is a different scale mouth and nose. And after identify different scale mouth and nose location, then we try to identify whether it belongs to the person we're looking for. 2 tasks, same thing. Okay. We already demonstrated it's working. Where? And now in this demo, we're going to show you about preprocessing database. And if we have preprocessing database, it can give us some speed enhancement. That's what it's on about. Okay, and let me run the simulation and you see how it's performed. Okay, and now in this demo, what you see in my left hand side is the image of the person. Okay, and let me select about a partial of her face. Okay, unsymmetrical is this time. Okay, and that's what we want to do. Okay, just nose and mouth, and let's run it and see if it can find the correct person. In this case, if you notice that the speed is very much faster. Now it's already 1,000 frames per second, and the total time for 2,000 frames about 15 seconds. And based on my experience, it's able to run about from 100 frames to 200 frames per second, depending on the size of the input, the resolution of the input. Okay, let's see how it's performed here. That's the first one, and you see the same person, okay, and it records exactly the same, almost the same, okay, and this is exact match. And the second one is also the same person, but in different background, okay. And let's see about the third, also the same person in different background, and another is also the same person in different background, okay. And that's what we just give you a demo. It successfully first detect and identify the person partial face of the person, and based on our knowledge, we haven't aware of any technology able to do this. But remember, the different in this demo, we only have a single input for searching. Okay, in 3D technology, it requires multiple pictures in order to extract 3D feature. But in our case, only single image only, and able to detect the correct person with the partial face. And that's what it is.